Hello student, today we are going to learn our fifth chapter, Evolution of Mankind. In this lesson we are going to learn 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens, 5.2 Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. So in this lesson 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens we have learned first man, that is scaled man. Now we'll see the second man, that is Homo erectus. Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. I have explained you the meaning of evolution. Means gradual and or continuous change. Erectus means the one who stand erect. Hence the name Homo erectus. Now see, erectus means the one who stand erect, and hence the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Now see, compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. Now see, human of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. Now, having seen wildfires, humans knew about fires. It is likely that Homo erectus had learned the techniques of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. During his time, most of the earth was covered with ice sheet. Now, having seen wildfires. Now, what is the meaning of wildfires? Wildfires are fires that burn out of control in a natural areas like a forest, grassland, etc. Okay. So, during his time, most of the earth was covered with ice sheet, means everywhere there is a snowfall. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fires. Now see, Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate. Okay, Homo erectus can live in that extremely cold climate because they have learned to use the fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fires. Now see, they learn how to use the fire, but they have not yet mastered the techniques of making fire. Okay, they cannot produce the fire, only they can use it. Tools made by the Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continents of Africa, Asia and Europe. Now see, tools made by the Homo erectus were more developed, okay, and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Now see, Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Now see, on the left hand side I have given the picture of a stone hand axe made by Homo erectus. Now see, remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools. Okay, so remains, okay, of Homo erectus have been found, okay, along with his tools in the continent of Africa, Asia and Europe. So students, I hope you understood this point. Okay, so solve your subjectives, MCQs properly. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay safe.